Hello guys, today we are going to be, learning how to power an LED with an Arduino Uno. Um, what I would recommend you do is you look up the pinout of the board, or you just look at the, white, text that says all of the pinouts, and know what they do. Um, so you know where to plug stuff in. Um, Today we are going to be experimenting with this stuff in the background. Right here we have an LED. You see these in a lot of things that you have. Here is a current limiting resistor to limit the current going through the LED. Here is some wires to hook up all of this stuff, and to hook up the Arduino to the LED and everything. So we are going to have to code a little bit. I'll go through the code after we build this. I'm going to do what we need to put first, which I'm going to tell you where I'm going to be putting these wires in the board. So I'm going to be putting D2, which is the one that says D2 right here, or it says U2. I have no idea why it says that, but it's supposed to say D2, which means digital pin. So I'm just going to put it in here like that. And then after I plug this one in, I'm going to want to look for one of the grounds on here. Probably going to use one on this side. The ground is G and D. So we're going to find a G and D and plug it into one of the G and Ds. Now that we have both of them plugged in, we're going to want to go to the resistor. We're going to plug it in over here. It doesn't matter how it's plugged in. The LED does matter how you plug it in. So we're going to plug it in. I would recommend going one space over and then plugging the wire into the back. And then I'm going to be putting the LED somewhere in this area. Now let me show you what side is which. The longer side is the positive side. So we're going to be putting the positive side in the resistor side. So we want it to limit the current of the LED, so the LED doesn't blow up. Then we're going to want to put this over a little bit so we can put the wire right here. Now we have our circuit completed. It looks like this, and we have everything plugged in. As you can see, the wires plugged in to the ground and D2. Now we're going to be going to the code side of it. So we are declaring in the setup our D2, which is just digital output pin 2. So we just put 2 and then we put output. And in the loop, we're looping every second. 1,000 milliseconds is a second. So we're turning, we're digital writing it high, which means it turns on. And then we're digital writing it low. And then we're delaying it another second. So it turns off 1 second, it turns on 1 second. The loop makes it loop, turning on 1 second, turning off the other second. So what you would do is you would go into your Arduino IDE and plug it in and then program it. I already did that, so we're going to show you what the LED looks like. Okay guys, I got it plugged in and now it is blinking. Every second it turns on. It turns on 1 second and then it turns off the other second. So I hope you like this video and maybe you even think about subscribing to my channel for more cool tutorials on how to do this type of stuff.